Hello everyone, and thank you for stopping by, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, consider joining my channel by clicking the subscribe button below, and remember the notification bell so you will notify when I upload a new video. Because in my channel you will enjoy watching my best DIY idea for home decoration. Today let's play with some wood, because I am going to be a part of What Wood You Make collaboration. For this challenge, I'm going to make these two beautiful farmhouse decor DIYs using wood and sticks. So today's challenge, we have two hosts, Zana from Okia Home DIY and Connie from Connie Creative Creations. And the guest host is CJ from CJ DIY. These beautiful ladies are amazing crafters. Definitely check out their channels. You will not be sorry. As well as check out the playlist in the description box below my video, where you will enjoy DIYs and see what everyone creates with these woods. So let's jump to the first DIY. And this one, you need this pack with 10 wood paint sticks that I got from Lowe's for $1.48. And this is square wooden box with drawers and some ribbons. I have been using 8 sticks and laid them up to glue them together using these popsicle sticks in the back. Glue them with a glue gun. And now I'm applying the fork art brown wax to add warmth and authentic look to this lighter color of wood. Using baby wipes. I am using only 3 drawers from the boxes, and I want them to be lighter than the color of the sticks, so I am applying a little bit of brown wax using my wipes. I don't want to leave them plain. I wanted to add this buffalo check ribbon, and I'm using this pearl lace to create a pretty texture to our wood drawers in the front. I'm adding this floral foam and these daisies inside these drawers. Glue them with a glue gun. Put them inside. With the help of my Cricut, I want to spell the words home sweet home, and to cut this word I put them on the front of the drawers. I'm cleaning my mat. I grabbed this long sign that I got from Dollar Tree last year. I'm using this welcome sign, painted with white chalk paint, and add some glue glitter to make it shiny. I'm adding these roses inside these drawers, some greenery and a bow in the corner, and gluing this hanger beads hanger, and cutting this piece of ribbon that has the same color of this wood to cover the front or the back, to cover the back on this sign. Et voila my final look for this fabulous farmhouse decor. If you like it, let me know in your comment. Let's jump to the second DIY now. For this project, I have been using this canvas frame and some of medium size of wooden popsicle sticks. Also this rectangle sign, all of them I got them from Dollar Tree. First, I have been using a brown cardstock, and I line up 10 sticks on this card to make it easy for me to glue them with a Mod Podge to make sure that the surface is flat, and then cut it in the shape of a barn, as you see in the screen. I'm tracing the shape of a barn, then with my scissors I'm cutting all around. Adding some Mod Podge on the top so make it shiny and solid a little bit. Then I'm painting with this red satin deco art paint. Then I want to distress a little bit with the black paint to give more rustic look to this barn and make it look real. It's cute colors. With this wood glue, I'm gluing the sticks on the top to shape a roof for this barn. As I'm cutting these pieces and glue them on the top. With this mini sticks craft, I want to make a square to create a window. Glue them together, make a cross on the middle to shape a window for this barn. With the same mini sticks, I'm making a rectangle door for this barn. A cross in the middle. It looks like a real barn. With the brown wax, I want to distress the roof. Now I want to make some trees around this barn. So I'm grabbing this green moss. I'm gluing them with Mod Podge on a green cardstock and cut it circles to make two trees, the top of the tree. When using this Mod Podge, I press hard to make it flat. And then I'm adding this scrapbook paper with wood design. I trim it to make it as background to this frame. I didn't show how I took off the canvas from this frame, just cutting all around to use this wooden frame. I'm adding this paint tape, and now I'm painting all around the frame. I forgot to paint it from the beginning, so I paint it with white chalk paint and I distress it with the brown wax to give some rustic look again. I made the two trees with the green moss that I made with the two sticks. I put them around this barn. Now I'm grabbing this windmill, paint it white, sand it out. I'm adding this windmill to this barn so to give a great look. Farmhouse decor. I like it. Gluing the sticks, the top of the tree. I am using a thick double-sided tape to tape this sticker track that I got from Dollar Tree to give a dimensional look to this farm. Because I can't resist, I want to add more into this project. I'm looking around to put it somewhere. This is the best place, I think. No more stickers. No tracks. Only one. I grab a piece of green wire from my floral section in my shelves and I span this floral ribbon all around to make a small wreath. To add it into this barn and small buffalo check ribbon, tiny flower and some green moss on the ground to this frame. Almost done. I'm adding some greenery with this windmill and one tiny flower in the middle of this windmill. With these beads, I'm matching the colors to hang this farmhouse piece of decor. I love how it turned out. How cute is this? I hope you like these two wooden farmhouse DIYs. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my video, for all your likes and your comments. Don't forget to check out the playlist link in the description box below. Take care and see you next time soon. Bye.